All right, guys. In this upcoming video, I'm going to be making a VW engine stand. So I'm going to be taking one of these types of stands and welding on the bench mount engine stand that you can get off of Amazon. I'll have a link as well down below. I'll be welding this guy on top of the engine stand that they make. So this is what it's actually going to look like when all said and done. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this one. Make sure you check out this video on April 18th. Um, we'll have all the dimensions on there and how I welded it up. And remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. We'll see you on the next one, guys.